Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pimsleur app for effective language learning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the Pimsleur app for effective language learning, begin by downloading the application from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app on your device. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Enter your email address and a password of your choice. Check your email for a verification link and click it to confirm your account. Return to the app and log in with your credentials. Next, you will be presented with the option to choose a language. Select the language you wish to learn from the list provided. After selecting your language, you may be prompted to choose a subscription plan. Review the available plans and select one that best fits your needs. Enter your payment information to complete the registration. Once your subscription is activated, you can begin your learning journey. Familiarize yourself with the app layout and features. Explore the various lessons and resources available for your selected language. Start your first lesson by following the prompts provided in the app. Engage actively with the exercises for optimal retention. Set a regular study schedule to ensure consistent practice. Monitor your progress through the app to stay motivated. Utilize the additional resources provided for enhanced learning. Feel free to reach out to customer support if you encounter any issues. Now, you're ready to enjoy an effective and immersive language learning experience with the Pimsleur app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.